Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the Mamakids bed carefully so you know what to fix and why it failed. Remove the mattress and headboard panels, look for stripped holes, warped slats, or bent brackets. Once you identify missing hardware, gather the correct screws, an Allen key set, wood glue, and a soft mallet. Take quick photos of connections for reassembly. Doing this up front saves time because you won't stop midway to hunt for parts or discover hidden damage later. You now stabilize the frame methodically. Loosen then red-tighten each fastener to seat parts before final torque, and swap any stripped screws for slightly larger ones or use wood inserts to restore grip. When joints wobble, apply wood glue inside the seam and add a metal corner bracket. Clamp and let cure for the recommended time. If slats are warped or the middle sags, replace slats or install a center support rail to distribute weight and prevent recurrence. You finish by reassembling panels in order and tightening screws evenly using a cross pattern to avoid twisting the frame. Once assembled, perform a staged load test. Sit, press, and gently jump to reveal creaks or movement. If you hear persistent noise or see wobble, focus on the affected joint, tighten hardware, replace the bracket with a stronger one, or add an additional center beam. If problems persist, document symptoms and consider replacing the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.